Welcome. In front of me I have Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this device. To get started, we'll need to turn off the device. I'm gonna unplug it just from charging, just so it's not confusing. There we go. So let's turn it off. There we go. And once the device is off, you want to hold volume up, down, and power key. Now, power key you will hold till you feel a vibration, and then right after that you should see a Lenovo logo. When you see that logo, immediately let go. So let's try that right now. So I'm holding both volume keys and now power. Vibration, Lenovo logo. As you can see, I let go of the power key. And there we go. So we are now in the recovery mode, and in here you'll need to use volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes. Now at the bottom we did have a message, so as you can see, wipe cache or wiping cache, and then cache wipe complete. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key, and this will now take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.